and it was all yellow. Yellow. Hey guys, today I have something very bright and very yellow. I've been wanting to use this palette I have from Juvia's place, and it has all these beautiful bright colors. And lately, I've been really into yellow for a while now. It's just a color I never liked before when I was younger, but as I get older, I like these colors that I just didn't like before. I don't know, it's probably an age thing. You know, as you become more senile, you start to lose your mind. Anyway, I'm kidding. Yeah, so I wanted to do something with yellow, and this is what I came up with. I think it's okay, it's doable, and if you like yellow and you can wear yellow, you'll have fun with it. So if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. For this tutorial, I used the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and the Kat Von D Eye Contour palette, Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, Pure Fully Charged Mascara, Black Radiance Liquid Eyeliner and Wet n Wild Pencil Eyeliner, Glitterazzi from Hard Candy in Aurora. Here are the brushes listed out according to their type. Alright, let's begin. We start with our concealer, and you can use primer by itself or primer and concealer, whatever you like. So you apply it and then you pat it down. Now we're going to start with the Zulu palette. Isn't it nice? And we're going into the yellow shade. These eyeshadows have no name, so this bright yellow with a flat shading brush. We're going to just pack it on the eyelid and make it nice and bright. Remember to do patting motions to make sure you get the best color payoff. Alright, we're going to put that away for now. And we're going into the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Palette. We're going into Liberatus, which is a dark matte taupe. With the pencil brush, we're going to start making out like a wing shape on the outer corner. And just slowly working the color to the shape that we'd want it to be, which is like a wing or a V or a triangle. Yeah, there you go, triangle. We're also bringing that color underneath. And in towards the outer corner of the lash line. Next we're going into Samael, and with an angled shading brush, this will be our brow bone color. Back into Liberatus, this time with a smaller tiny precision brush, and we're just going to go into the crease and underneath again to make sure that we have a nice dark under eye. Okay, now mascara and eyeliners. We're going to start with the pencil eyeliner, and we're going to do the fill in the lash line method. So lift the eyelid and get right inside those in-betweens of the lashes. In the inner corner, the outer corner, a little bit underneath. Getting that lash line underneath as well. And applying a little bit on the outer corner. Next we're going to go in with the liquid eyeliner, and I like this one because it gives you a very nice fine line, and that's exactly what we're going to do here. Okay, mascara time. Applying a healthy coat, several healthy coats of mascara on top. And the bottom as well, but a little less, not as much. Okay, now for the glitter. I'm going to dot a little bit on the brow bone and then pat it down with our finger. I found that this is the best method for this type of liquid glitter. Put that away and the look is done. That is it for today's tutorial and my own original makeup look. I wanted to keep it semi-simple, not go overboard, do something that, you know, anyone can replicate and do on themselves. Just takes a little patience and yeah, and use some yellow. Anyway, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, because if you like makeup and you like things that are not common, you'll like this channel. And if you like Amy Lee, then you'll like my channel, because I do Amy Lee makeup looks too. Yeah, and until next time, rock on. Anyhow, don't forget to give it this, yeah, that. So have you guys tried these from Hard Candy? They're freaking awesome. I only have 3 because I have to measure myself. I can't just splurge on stuff, so month by month I'll buy one of these. They're only $6, but they are beautiful. I'm so glad I bought them because they're super glittery. And today I have this white one on here, as you saw in the tutorial. Let me swatch it up. Can you see that? Oh my god. I love glitter. The first one I bought is this one right here. It's called Star. And, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I wore it several times. And I was like, ooh, the glitter. Look at that, it's so sparkly. Supposedly you can put these on your lips, your eyes, your cheeks, your hair. You want to try the hair? Let's do the hair, yeah? Let's see if it works. I have to wash my hair anyway, so let's see. Let's grab, we're gonna do this white one. Oh, yes. You know how that whole glitter on the hair thing is going on? It's nothing new. It's been around before, but you can use this for your hair. Look at that. I got a glittery strand. And it's subtle. It's not... Ooh, yeah. I just came up with something pretty fun. You don't have to buy the expensive stuff. You could use your little Hard Candy Glitterazzi liquid glitter stuff. And give yourself some glittery streaks. Look at that. Can you see it? I don't even know. Okay. Yeah. This one is the last one I'm going to show you. Ugh. I kept the packaging because Hard Candy has the cutest packaging, and I don't know, I just want to keep them in there. It looks pretty. This one is Galactic. This guy right here is also beautiful. It's more blue with like a purple in there. Ooh, that would look awesome in the hair too. Look at that. Oh my god. Alright guys, now you have more of an incentive to go try these out. If you love glitter as much as I do, I love glitter and sparkly stuff. And there it is, Galactic. They have a bunch of them. They have like 10 of them, I think. I don't know. So slowly but surely I will be building my collection of these guys because they're cute, and $6 each. Not bad, not bad. And yeah, and I know that hard candy is also a cruelty-free. They always say it, they don't test on animals. And that's a big plus for me because I like that. Like that they test on humans. And look at that. Ooh, I like it. It's a little sloppy because I just went, you know, like, but there you go. Yeah, and that pretty, oh so pretty. I don't know your heart. I don't know where to begin, but I could feel you erasing the rivers I drawn in. The more I stood still, the faster you were running. You don't know how it feels, crawling under your skin. So far, so far away. Don't you know we could be alone? You never fell beneath me, and I gave up on you, but I never forgot.